What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add a user and invite them to your party in Wild Rift. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. From your Wild Rift main menu, tap on the social icon on the top right of your screen. From here, you can preview your incoming friend requests and current friend list below. You can also make use of the search to find a specific user. Tap on the Add Friend icon. On this window, you can enter the right ID followed by the name tag to find the user you wish to add. Right next to it, you can see your own ID, which can be used to add you. You can also preview friend recommendations as well as your Facebook friends who own the game below, in case you connected your Facebook account. Lastly, you can use a custom code to add friends. This link will show them your Wild Rift profile and they can add you from there. When closing this window, make sure that your online status is set to online. This will allow friends to invite you to their party. After accepting a friend request, tap on their username in your friend list and add them from there. To remove a friend from your list, simply click on the little gear icon on the top right of their profile card and select Remove Friend from here. When this is done, you should take a look at your in-game settings. In the General section, make sure that the Hide Friend Request option is set to off. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.